Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to connect Printify to Amazon. So let's get started. So now here we are on Printify, and from here what we are going to do is that we are going to go into my store right here, click here and click on add a new store since you want to connect it to Amazon. So click here on Amazon. And from here you would need to provide a store name. So let's say for example, sample Amazon store, and click on connect. And then from here, you would now need to connect your Printify into your Amazon seller account. So make sure that you have an Amazon seller account. If you don't have one yet, then you can watch my other videos where I explain how you can create or be an Amazon seller. And then from here, click on connect. And now you would be able to be prompted right here. So all this left is to log in into your Amazon seller account. So the last step would be to just request GTIN exemption. And that's it. It's really simple in connecting your Printify to your Amazon store. After it has been connected, all that's left is to go to your catalog and select your product right here that you would want to import into your Amazon. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.